Good morning pond lovers. Today is the big day. We're doing the Christmas giveaway. Again, I just want to say a massive thank you for everyone that supported the channel. The hats they've been selling, a couple more car air fresheners are on the way out today, so massive thank you. The link for both are in the description. They are limited edition and they're also in the Christmas giveaway, so for everyone that entered, good luck. Let me spin you around, show you what you're going to win, and then see who's going to win it. So in the original video it was a hat and it was one of the car air fresheners and a pack of Koi Christmas cards. Car air freshener on the other side, it's got the same logo as the hat, although you can't see the white outline of the word Keeping It Koi unless you really look for it. That's probably a good thing. Right, on top of that I did a short. If you haven't seen the short, doesn't matter because I'm going to tell you now. On top of that, you are getting a Keeping It Koi mug, which are very few and far between. There's only, other than mine, 4 of us out there in the world. That's number 5. And a Keeping It Koi pen as well, although it does say Keeping It Bonsai on there as well. Not that I've uploaded any videos to that channel for about a year, but meh. So that's it. Keeping It Koi pen, Keeping It Koi car air freshener, Keeping It Koi hat, Keeping It Koi mug, and a packet of Christmas cards. So without further ado, let's get the laptop open and let's find out who's won. Okay, so we're all set up, ready to go. Let's spin you around and pick a lucky winner. Right, hopefully you can all see that really clear. So the 2 items to help support the channel, you've got the hat there on eBay and you've got the Keeping It Koi car air freshener. But what you're all here for is to find out if you won them, along with the mug, the pen and the pack of cards. So I've put the YouTube link in there. All you had to do was comment on that video, so anything goes, doesn't matter who you are, where you are in the world, you're all in with a chance. So continue on that. 22 comments in total, so not a big amount, so you've got a 1 in 22 chance. 3, 2, 1. Inside say 1212. So if that's you, either drop me a message or comment on YouTube. The links to my Facebook are down in the description as well, so if you want to drop me a message on Facebook, absolutely fine. Alternatively, you can email me with the email along the bottom of the screen there. So yeah, inside say 1212. Congratulations, buddy, well done. Your message said spectacular. Thank you, Jamie, for the dynamic. Looks to be a decent bit of kit there. Jamie, thanks for the demo and setting it up. Doesn't look too difficult and you explained it well, buddy. So thank you for your comment, thank you for your support, and hopefully you enjoy all these lovely prizes. That's it, they're all boxed up, ready to ship, so if you receive a Hobbycraft box, you know what it is. All in there, ready to go. So let me know where you live and I'll get them posted out to you, but don't post your address on YouTube. You don't want to be doing that. So yeah, just a really quick one today. I just want to say a massive thank you for all the support I've had this year. It's been a fantastic year, pond wise anyway. Obviously did have one bit of a hiccup, but all sorted. But just massive thank you for all the views, all the support, all the little purchases. It's made a lot, and as eBay has actually released some of the funds again for a couple of the hat sales and some of the car air freshener sales, I've just ordered a new float switch for the pond. All of the money that you guys support me, whether it's YouTube ad revenue or whether it's from the little bits of support that you guys give, all goes back into the koi, into the pond, whether it's new equipment for the ponds, food for the koi, it all goes back into them. So again, massive thank you. Once the float switch arrives, we'll do a video on that. It looks a good bit of kit, but very cheap. Fingers crossed it's pretty good. We'll do a video and we'll see how it goes. So Merry Christmas all, congratulations to the winner, and we'll catch you on the next one.